Hello, welcome to today's lesson. In our previous lesson, we learned how to draw a shape and also change the color. So in this lesson, you are going to learn how to adjust our shape. Okay, so this is our shape. So we want to make it smaller or make it bigger, enlarge it or adjust it. How do you go about it? Okay, so if you want to adjust the shape, you have to press Ctrl and T. So if you press Ctrl T, you can see the lines or some markings around the shape. Okay, so when you put the cursor here, you can see that there is an arrow here that says if you want to go up or down. So let's go up and see. You see, whilst you are going up, everything, all the sizes are enlarging. If you come down to all the sizes are taking effect. But then no, I want to, someone might say, oh no, I want to only raise the up or the top. So you just press shift and then you drag. You see now only one side is moving. Have you seen it? Okay, so here to shift, only one side is moving. No. So shift, only one side is moving. Shift, only one side is moving. But then if you want to enlarge all the parts, just remove your hand from the shift, then you do it. Some other versions too, if you want to enlarge all the side, that is when you press shift. But then if you don't press shift and you move it, one side will move. So either way, you have to use shift to either enlarge one side or just remove your hand from shift to enlarge or vice versa. Okay, let's move on to warping off or making changes to our shape. Okay, so with the selecting, if you select and then there is a marking on it, just right click. If you right click, you see a pop-up menu will come. We have warp, we have perspective, we have distort, scale, rotate, scale. So anyone that I want. So let's say I want warp. So let me take the warp. So let's see what the warp does. You see, it will warp your shape. So anyhow that you want it. Okay. Uh-huh. So after that, you just press enter. Then you take effect. I want to say that what is this? Well, let's make it nicer a bit. So I want to adjust it. So Control T, then I'll adjust my shape to be very large. So I'll just bring it here like this. Have you seen it? Then enter. Have you seen now we are progressing? Good. So now you have been seeing this kind of layers around with this curve like this. So this is the warp that they use. Have you seen it? Okay. So all this, or someone might say that I don't like this warp. How do I even undo? Okay. So you can go to edit, then you have undo button there. So you can undo, then go again, you can undo, then go again, you can undo, go again, you can undo, go again, you can undo. You see? So if you want to move forward again, you have the redo also. You have the redo also. So let me do the warp again. Control T. I'll right click, then take the warp. Then I will just do this one like this. Then I'll press enter. Then I will Control T again. The markings will come and then I will enlarge it. I will enlarge it. So markings again, then I will just enlarge it nicely. Enter. Then position it well. Nicely like that. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.